This video is on how to use the Job Search Organizer tool. In the last module, you learned how to bookmark jobs or add jobs to the Job Search Organizer tool. In this module, we want to teach you how to use it to track your job search. The board is built upon a simple drag and drop option. You can grab the card and drag it to the column where you would like to keep it for the time being. Continue to advance the card through the progression of your communications about that job. To edit the information on the card, just click in the circle with the 3 dots to find the edit. Click it to open the card. When the card is opened, you see the job title, the job post URL, in what column the card is currently stored. You can manually move the card from column to column by clicking the drop-down and selecting another column. The date of activity entered either manually or by moving the card to the column. There is company information listed, and finally, items that you can check if you have completed them, like a thank you letter or thank you email, follow-up letter, and whether you declined a job offer or received a rejection letter. Finally, save or cancel the actions you took on the card. By clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner, nothing will change and just close the card. As you can see on the cards, when you have filled in all of the dates, it will show on the card what actions were taken and what dates you did them. That's it for our video on the Job Search Organizer tool. Have a great rest of your day.